Welcome back, Kevin's Mobile Repair. Got a 2007 Honda CR-V doing some rear quick strut assemblies. These are not fun whatsoever. This is a front wheel drive, so you don't have to worry about the CV axle and stuff like that on this. But this is what I did. Control arm right here. Take off the two bolts for that bushing. That'll make it lower down some. Take off the two bolts for the sway bar right there. That gives you plenty of momentum. You got this one 17mm bolt right there. Those are 12s. Those are 14s. That 17mm right there, you got to take that out, and then the strut itself comes out. So here's the fun part. You got to go inside the vehicle. Take up this little panel right here. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 12mm bolts, and then two 14mm right there is for the strut. So there's a big plate and stuff like that. See the plate right there? That plate comes off, and then you gain access to those. There's a little hook back behind here for when their assembly process, when they install these, it goes up through here, hooks on here, and then they can assemble everything. If you don't take that hook off or cut it, you will not be able to get this strut out because it'll hang on the little bracket piece. I don't know if you can see it back in there or not, but I got the old one cut off. It basically just hooks onto the little bracket right there for assembly purposes. So I got a pair of side cutters, snipped off the hook, and then the strut itself can come out. You can do this as a one-man job, but it is a beautiful pain in the butt. It's better to have two people, one person prying down on stuff in order to get things cinched back into place. But I just got this one finished up. I've already done the other side, so I'm going to be doing some other things on this vehicle and stuff like that as well. So please like and subscribe, and you'll see the other videos here shortly.